There's a new AI browser tool that's not Playwright, not Claude and Chrome, and it allows your agent to control the browser you're in, your current browser, with the command line interface. So it can take a 2,000 line Playwright MCP or other type of tool and do the same thing in 300 lines of code. It's called Dev Browser, and it's a completely new way for AI to interact with your internet browser. Hey, I'm Kevin. I break down what's happening in AI and how to build with it. If that's you, hit follow. So right now, if your agent wants to use a browser and interact with the internet, it's super painful. It has to open its own browser, whether that's Chromium or some headless browser that you can't see, or a different Chrome interface that doesn't have your cookies, doesn't have your logins, has nothing. So it's starting from scratch each time. And this is what the dev browser changes. It allows your AI agent to interact with your current Chrome browser via the command line interface. So it's writing code to interact with your browser, which is next level for AI agents, as opposed to interacting with the browsers how we do with the front end, clicking buttons, HTML, pop-ups, and all of that. If you're familiar with the Playwright MCP, what this browser skill is actually good at is writing Playwright code. So it's not relying on the MCP, it's actually writing the code itself and using that in a sandbox to actually run with your browser and interact with it. So that translates to incredible speed, but also safety because it's not going rogue. It's super easy to install using this line right here, or you can even now download it as a plugin in Claude Chrome. And then once you're in Claude, you tell Claude to use the dev browser to interact with your current Chrome browser, and it will do the rest. So I thought it'd be fun to test this out. I told Claude to use the dev browser and go out and find all Princess Bride quotes, throw it in a Google Sheet, and format it, make it look pretty. And this is what it did. Super fast. You see it happen in real time in front of you, which is the cool part. And this has no bloat. It runs much fewer tokens, very efficient. So this is where the interface with AI agents and browsers is heading, using your environment, what you're interacting with, and not some headless browser, not some browser that has no cookies and no background. It's able to take advantage of everything you've got in your browser. I'm out here testing and playing with all of these AI things all the time. So if this is fun for you, hit follow.